Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'm going to show you guys is how you can permanently delete your Quora account, so let's get right into it. Quora is a website where you can ask or answer other people's questions, and it's pretty useful. Any question that you might have, it most likely has an open post or topic on Quora, so it is a very useful site. However, you might want to delete your account for various reasons, be it either that you're either not interested anymore or you want to delete it for, I don't know, some other reasons, such as a compromised account, so you don't want your information to be leaked, pretty much. And maybe it's because of the constant notifications or anything. There are several reasons why you might choose to do this, and the way you do this is the following. As you can see, I am currently logged into the site. I am on the main page, and if you want to actually delete your account, what you want to do is click on your account icon in the top right, go to settings here near the bottom of the list, and once you're here, you'll be taken to your account settings. But if you want to delete your account, you want to go into privacy, and now that you're here, if you scroll all the way down, you have the option to both deactivate or delete your account. Deactivating your account will, as it says deactivated, it will still be, it'll still exist. You can still access it later and reactivate it later. However, if you want to delete your account permanently, you just click on delete account. I don't want to do it, so I won't be clicking this, but just click on the delete account icon and just follow the instructions, and your account will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve it at all. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.